Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix Gameloop Error Code 4. First, always begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and strong. A weak connection can often cause unexpected errors. Next, verify that your antivirus software or firewall isn't mistakenly blocking Gameloop's access. Sometimes, security programs can interfere with applications. Finally, a simple restart of both the Gameloop emulator and your entire computer can resolve many temporary glitches, taking just a few moments. If the initial checks don't resolve the issue, clearing Gameloop's cache is your next step. Navigate to the emulator settings and find the option to clear cache files. This action removes any corrupted temporary data that might be causing the error. While less common, if the problem persists, you might consider clearing game data, but be aware this could delete your in-game progress, so proceed with caution and backup if possible. When clearing the cache doesn't work, a clean reinstallation of Gameloop is often the most effective solution. Completely uninstall the emulator from your system to remove all associated files. Then, download the very latest version directly from the official Gameloop website. Install this fresh copy, making sure to follow all prompts. This ensures you have the most up-to-date and uncorrupted version, which can fix many persistent errors. For more stubborn cases, try running Gameloop as an administrator. This grants the emulator the necessary permissions to operate without restrictions, which can sometimes prevent error code 4. Also, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Outdated system files can cause compatibility problems. If, after all these steps, the error still persists, it's best to reach out to Gameloop's official support team for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.